In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Wrike, which is a versatile project management tool used by teams worldwide. If you're new to Wrike or just looking to refine your task creation process, this guide will walk you through each essential step with clarity and simplicity. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wrike workspace. If you're not yet familiar with the layout, take a moment to explore the interface, which is designed to enhance productivity and teamwork. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start organizing your tasks. The next step is to decide where you'll create your task. Tasks in Wrike are housed within projects or folders. If you don't have an existing project or folder, don't worry, you can easily create one by clicking on the plus new project or folder button. Enter a name that clearly describes the purpose or category of your tasks and then click Create to set it up. Organizing tasks into specific projects or folders helps keep everything tidy and accessible. Now, let's move on to creating a new task. Within your chosen project or folder, look for the plus nos new task button. Click on it, and a new task panel will appear. Here you can start by giving your task a clear and specific name. This name should give everyone involved an immediate understanding of what this task entails. The details of the task come next. Wrike allows you to fill in a variety of details, such as setting a start date and due date, which is particularly useful for keeping your team on track with deadlines. You can also add a description to provide more context or specific instructions regarding the task. Utilizing the description field effectively can prevent miscommunication and ensure everyone is on the same page. Assigning task owners is a crucial part of the process. Assign at least one person who will be responsible for completing the task. Simply type their name into the assignee field and Wrike will automatically fill in the details. Involving the right people fosters accountability and clarifies responsibility within the team. Next up is setting the task status. Choose from options like New, In Progress, or Completed to reflect the current stage of the task. Updating the task status regularly helps in tracking progress and maintaining a clear overview of where everything stands. Viewing and organizing your tasks is made easy with Wrike's customizable views. You can switch between list, board, table, or timeline views according to your preference and what best suits your workflow at the moment. Finally, remember the power of collaboration within Wrike. Utilize the comments section to communicate with team members directly on the task. This allows you to share updates, ask questions, and provide feedback in real time, keeping everyone involved and informed. And there you have it. Now you know how to create and manage tasks in Wrike efficiently. Keep these tips in mind as you organize your next project, and you'll be managing tasks like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.